Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper, and I am absolutely living for the Gilmore's collection at Hallmark. This is $29.99, the Gilmore Girls food groups, pizza, popcorn, candy. $14.99, Life's Short, Talk Fast. For $14.99, you can get a book about the Gilmore Girls, a kid's book for $5.99. This mug is $16.99. This little plush Luke is $9.99. $29.99 for the Luke's canister. And this canister is like a ceramic material, and it is dishwasher safe. It would be so good for dog treats. I'm going to have them linked down below with a promo code, but I've got some beautiful dog treats. I'll pop up a picture right here on the screen from Munchbird. Xena used to love those treats. Definitely check them out. And the back says you can never have enough coffee. $9.99, $14.99, $18.99. I absolutely love this blanket. It's like a little map of Stars Hollow. $39.99. But it's not very soft. Bag is $24.99. The hat is $24.99, and then these little things are $22.99, which seems really expensive. But I love the gazebo on the hat. And this is the last thing. Supposedly it's supposed to make noise, $26.99, but it's 50% off because it's broken. Well, today we're just window shopping, but if you liked that video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check out those links. Dear God, I just pray that all of your furry creations all around the world can find access to the food they need to survive through you. Amen. I can't believe I just did that. Walked eyes closed in a mall. Glad I didn't knock into anybody, but get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Bye. And the back says you can never have enough coffee.